Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies with Quaker instant oatmeal. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of instant oatmeal, not the quick cooking kind. Also, have 1/2 cup of softened butter ready. For sweetness, grab 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. These simple items are the foundation for delicious cookies. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter with both the brown and granulated sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until everything is well combined. Finally, gradually add your instant oatmeal and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, mixing until just incorporated. Be careful not to overmix the dough. It's time to bake. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's heating, prepare your baking sheets by lining them with parchment paper or lightly greasing them. Then, drop rounded tablespoons of cookie dough onto the prepared sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. The centers might still look a little soft, but they will firm up as they cool. Once baked, let your delicious oatmeal cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes. This helps them set and prevents them from breaking when you move them. After 2 minutes, carefully transfer the cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. They are best enjoyed warm, but also store well in an airtight container for several days. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade Quaker instant oatmeal cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.